Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and super freaking delicious caramel apple crumble. It is so good and perfect for fall. It uses lots of great apples, brown sugar, cinnamon, other spices, and y'all are absolutely gonna love this. The recipe is in the description, so go check that out, and I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe.
I have 5 apples here. Use a good crisp variety. I use Fuji, that's my favorite, but Honeycrisp or any other really good crisp variety will work here. I've peeled, cored, and thinly sliced them, and in a large bowl we're gonna add our spices. We got some allspice, cinnamon and nutmeg, pinch of salt. We also have sugar and brown sugar, as well as the juice of 1 lemon and some all-purpose flour. After you've tossed the apples to coat them nicely in that mixture, you're gonna put them in a buttered 8x8 or 9x9 inch baking dish, and then we're gonna go ahead with the topping. So for the topping, it's a classic streusel top. We have some flour, some brown sugar and granulated sugar in a bowl, along with some softened unsalted butter that we're just gonna mix on a low speed until it is nice and crumbly. You can actually do this by hand if you want to. And then you're gonna just top your apple crumble with all of that gorgeous crumble topping. Use all of it, make sure you have a nice layer. Then you wanna bake this for around 50 to 55 minutes or until nice and bubbly and that topping is golden brown and crisp. Just top it with some good caramel sauce. You can buy it at the store. That's what I did. I promise I won't tell anybody, but if you want to make it yourself, that is totally fine and respectable as well. I just like to skip the step here and get a good one from the store, because at the end it is good either way. And this is gooey. The crumble topping is so crisp. The flavor is incredible, y'all. The spices really come through. That flour helps thicken the filling really nicely. The apples are tender, and this is just one recipe I love to make every year.
Did I not say that was super easy? It barely takes any time to put together. It smells so good in the oven when it's baking, and using just a good store-bought caramel sauce is a great way to skip that step. You can absolutely make it yourself if you want to, but just to save some time, great to just drizzle some on top, and I'm telling you guys, it is so good. The spices come through, the apples are nice and tender, that crumbly top gets all nice and crunchy. Oh my God, it is so good. Of course, you could serve this with vanilla ice cream, but I personally don't even think it needs it. It's that good. Once again, the full recipe in the description, along with my other links to social media, so go check those out. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and please leave me some comments down below. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you next time.